Okay, so I was trying to start the Rx-7 before, and I think it's a fuel problem. That's why it won't go. So I'm going to try and jumper the relay that's under the dash. Can't really see it here, but if you get under, right under there, there's a relay or a connection to jumper the relay for the actual fuel pump. So the fuel pump is always on. So I'm going to jam a wire in there and see if she goes. Okay, so I think it's this blue connector. I'm going to connect from the left to the middle. Alright, so hooked up. Not in gear. Let's see what happens. Can't hear the fuel pump. Give it a shot anyway. The battery is a little bit too dead. Ah, goddamn Chevys, eh? Trying to get the hood open on the damn thing. The freaking hood latch is broken. And I did not break that. It was like that before, so I guess we'll have to try and jump it with the 240. Me driving a big old truck. What the hell is wrong in this picture? This ain't no sports car. Okay. My latch works. Is it open? Yeah, I think it's already open. See if this makes a difference. Nope. This motor sure looks good. I just wish it ran good too, eh? God damn it. We'll figure something out later. Well, I'm just going to leave the charger on there for like, overnight at least, I guess, and then I'll give it another shot. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to change fuel pump, and I know I have at least 2 more fuel pumps to put in there, so that's got to be the main issue right there. If you have any other ideas that it could be, like, I don't know, maybe the ECU. I'll spare one of those too, though. I'll get her going.